Hey guys, what's going on? So today we have a 1988 Topps baseball rack pack. Doesn't look too interesting, but you got the rookie in the front. Nobody that good on the back. But let's pop this open. I don't know who the home run leaders is, but let's pop this open. Hey guys, I just need to get some scissors. I gotta cut this very carefully. Right there. So first card, Ricky Henderson, Ross Jones, Cubs leaders, Bill Wilkinson, Mark Gavazica, Mickey Brantley, Don Gordon, Al Padrique, Indians leaders, Andre Dawson, Joe Hesketh, Willie Randolph, All-Star, Barry Jones, Bob Knepper, Astros leader, and Benny Santiago. So a few All-Star cards in there, right? So that was good. And we went to the second pack, the second rack of the pack. Barry Lyons, Tony Phillips, Ed Vandenberg, Jose De Leon, Tony Gwynn, Danny Cox, Steve Bedrosian, Eric Davis, Jeff Sellers, Lance Parrish, Jim Dwyer, Scott Garrett, sorry about that guys, Braves leaders, Dwayne Ward, Frank Lucheski, and we're on to the last pack of all this. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry about that, guys. We didn't go through them yet, but we had some just laughing. Rick Shue, Willie Randolph, Ray Quinn Aunis, Gary Carter, Mike Fitzgerald, Ernie Witt, Dave Martinez, Howard Johnson, Jimmy Williams, Willie McGee, John Christensen, Kirk Gibson, Jose Cruz, and Kelly Gruber. Well, no Tom Glavine today, guys, but we did do really good. Some nice cards, and see you guys next time. Next time.